Hey guys, so we're back here in the backyard raised bed where it already looks a little bit tropical, but I have Alexis here today. She's gonna help me plant some plants in. And what I wanted to show you guys today was the lady in red fern that we're gonna be adding back there. It has a brilliant green foliage with some bright red stems that I think are gonna go back to the house and look very, very nice back here. We're also gonna add some caladiums in there called lemon blush that have a nice reddish tone. It's gonna go back to these ferns and to the house as well. So kind of doing a mixed variety of plants in there. But this is definitely the one we're gonna put in there first. Now this can be adapted to be grown in the house as well. It's a lovely fern and one of the most easiest to care for ferns as it can grow in some very poor soil. Now Lady in Red Fern is a perennial that can grow up to about 36 inches tall in zones 3 to 8B. So we're gonna put this guy back here and it'll overwinter and it'll definitely stay in this bed back here. So let's get started with this quick planting. Alexa's gonna help me put these in there real quick. All right, so the Lady in Red Ferns are in the ground. I absolutely love the way they look with the red stems. They go hand in hand with the color of the house and when those caladiums go in the ground as well. They're gonna really look good together. But it's a quick and easy planting. Just wanted to get those into this already tropical looking bed. Love the way it's coming out, love the way it looks. We just wanna add those caladiums in later and see how that actually comes up and plays with that fern. But definitely a great fern to have. Again, you can adapt this fern to grow inside and this soil is already amended, but it'll grow in some of the most porous soil conditions, so that's a plus for this fern. It's an easy to grow fern. That's gonna do it for the video, guys. We just wanted to do this one real quick, show you guys what we're up to back here, and we'll see you guys in the next video.